I'm Anthony Weaver with the leadpaintdetectives.com. Living in a house built before 1978, you have to think of cleaning in a slightly different way. This is lead-safe cleaning on horizontal sliding windows, paying close attention to the window trough. The window trough collects and holds a lot of dirt and where children like to stick their fingers. Before you start, you want to gather your supplies. Start with a plastic garbage bag, plastic gloves, and some spray cleaner like Formula 409 or something similar. Dawn dishwashing liquid will work, and you'll mix that with water in a spray bottle. You could use a pressurized bottle sprayer, but this is a little over the top, and a simple sprayer will do the job. Next, you can use damp paper towels, generic or real Swiffer Wet mop pads. What you use here depends on how much money you want to spend. Paper towels may seem cheap, but you may use quite a few getting the window clean, and Swiffers can be expensive. Either way, you can only use wet paper towels or Swiffers once, and then you must throw them away. Do not reuse paper towels or Swiffers from one window to another. This could spread lead dust and contaminate each window. Do not use, I repeat, don't ever use a wet cloth rag or a towel. This is a big no-no. Again, this could spread lead dust and contaminate each window. Start at the top and spray the channels and trough with the window closed. Spray the corners really well. You'll notice with the hard spray the dirt in the corners starts to lift away. Let the water soak in for about 5 minutes. Start at the top, wipe the window channels down to the window trough. Lastly, wipe the trough. Spray into the corner again and release as much of the leftover dirt as possible. Use a new towel or a wet mop pad and wipe the window trough clean once again. Now that the closed side of the window trough is clean, open the window and do the same thing on the open side of the window. Spray the channels and the trough from top to bottom and pay close attention to the corners. Wipe the trough using a new towel or wet mop pad and wipe clean again. After you're done with one window, change your gloves, throw away all used paper towels or wet mop pads, and start on the next window. This could be a big job if you have a lot of windows. I like to break down the cleaning into smaller bits. Instead of thinking, wow, I have a lot of windows to do, I think I will do a couple windows one week, then a couple more the next week. Eventually, you'll have all your windows done. Cleaning the window channels and troughs should be a normal part of your cleaning schedule. Once you have all the windows done, start from the beginning and clean a couple at a time. This takes a big job and breaks it down into much smaller bits. I also like to say clean in one direction by scooping out the dirt. However, in the video, you'll notice I clean and scrub backwards and forwards. The whole goal of the job is to clean out that trough really well so your children won't get their fingers into that window trough and put lead dust, ingest it into their mouth and into their body. Ask questions, leave comments, subscribe to my channel, and first things first, get your children tested for lead poisoning. Call 1-800-424-LEAD or 1-800-424-5323.